The Kelantan Match Factory, founded in 1933 in Kota Bharu, is Malaysia's last surviving match factory. Once employing over 1,000 workers, it now operates with only about 25 to 30 staff, producing iconic brands like Cap Lada and Cap Helang. Struggling against deforestation, imported raw materials, and declining demand in the age of lighters. The factory is considered a heritage landmark, symbolizing Malaysia's industrial past. Despite modern challenges, it continues to operate, preserving a craft that has nearly disappeared.